everybody. So for the month of January, I wanted to get us off on the great start of cleaning one job a day. So you might have time to clean every day a lot, or maybe not. Hopefully this will just get you cleaning one thing a day, and you can keep up on it, especially after Christmas where it's a little crazy and nothing's normal and whatever. So I thought this would be a good way to do it. I hope you took part of our challenge last month, which was to declutter everything. I could probably do that again, especially after Christmas. Maybe that'll be another February one. But for now, I wanted to, and this time I thought I'd do some videos because it's cleaning and this is what I do. So first thing I got, now this is our kitchen cloth. Now I have a special one. This is one of our limited edition ones. And it's not as wet all over like I wanted it to be, but such is life. Okay, so our first up on my list, because I printed off a list, so it's clean microwave and oven. Now, they're really gross. So, for cleaning my microwave, I just use either a kitchen cloth or a Navarro cloth, again folded in fours. And I hope you can see how gross that is. I'm wondering if you can, maybe not, but. And sometimes I do dry it because I'm going to be fancy today. I'm going to use a window cloth to dry it as well. So this has got greasy fingerprints off it because my boys butter their toast, and instead of putting a piece of bread in the toaster, they butter it and put it in my microwave. And then they get butter fingers all over. Okay, so I hope you can see how much nicer that looks. But anyways, so I'm just going to keep working here. So I'm going to do the microwave, the outside. And this is stainless steel. So I'm just using, again, a kitchen cloth with water, damp with water, and drying with my window cloth. And inside, it's just as gross. So again, the window cloth on these things, it's called a window cloth, but it's basically a polishing cloth. They used to call it a polished cloth, but people didn't know that it actually was used for windows. So there we were. So I'm just going to wash, if you can see that this is all gross. I'm going to re-wet this just to get it nice and wet, and then I'm going to clean that again, just the same kitchen cloth, wet with water. And I don't know what was on here, but it's gross. So sometimes my boys microwave things like their toast or toast without using. They don't use a plate or something. I don't know why. I've said use a plate, and then I look at my microwave and I know they didn't. But anyways, there you go. And I'm going to use the window cloth to dry it just because I don't feel like getting out my kitchen towel at this point, and this works great. And it makes it extra, you can see through it. Who doesn't want to see through their microwave plate? Alright, so that's done. So that's taken me, 3 minutes so far? Okay, so now my stove is nastier. Because, okay, this one's all me mostly. Now my older son does help me cook. But a lot of this is my fault because I'm a messy cook. And I don't really like to cook, so I don't give it all the heart and care that you need. And thus, it's gross. Okay. So this could use some paste as well. because there's some stuck on stuff, which I should show you. But anyway, so if you have stuck on stuff, we do have a paste, and we have either Sperry sponges or Enviro sponges. This is the Enviro sponge. I do tend to go to my Sperry sponges, but sometimes they disappear. I don't know where they went. So that's the great thing about Norwex products is I could even use the scrubby kitchen cloth if I wanted to, but I just find it easier. So you can just do that. So this is our job for today, and I think it's a perfect time to do it because we all want to get everything organized and whatever, and what's the point of getting things organized if it's still dirty, right? So hopefully we already got a lot of our stuff done, our decluttering done. So declutter it, then you clean it, and then you'll have everything organized the way it needs to be. So and it'll just be one job a day so you don't even really notice, right? So that's it. So have fun with it, as much fun as you can. If you need any of these products, I will put the link in the post that I'm going to post this in, so you can buy any of those products. If you have any questions about the products that I use, please do. Don't feel you have to have these products in order to join in. That's not the point of this. The point is to become a team together here and just work on this together and motivate each other, and hopefully it won't feel like such a chore, right? So as you can see, that took like 6 minutes for me to wash my really gross microwave and my oven. So that's it. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow.